Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Solana-based NFT marketplace Magic Eden raises $27 million Series A non-fungible token. NFT marketplace Magic Eden has raised $27 million in the Series A funding round to expand its range of products and services. The round was led by Paradigm and included contributions from Sequoia and Solana Ventures, the Solana-based firm announced on Monday. NFTs are digital assets on a blockchain that represent ownership of virtual or physical items. The firm claims to be the largest NFT marketplace on the Solana blockchain, having surpassed transaction volume of more than 7.5 million SOL over the last 6 months. It also boasts over 90% market share for NFT games secondary trading volume. Magic Eden said it will use the funds to build out a gaming vertical and launch an NFT mobile application for the browsing, minting and trading of NFTs on the go. The Solana ecosystem has been one of the main beneficiaries from developers and traders seeking an alternative to the high transaction fees on Ethereum. In January, research by JP Morgan noted that Ethereum's NFT market share dropped to 80% compared to 95% a year earlier. So, the next news is what he pair on Binance. Needless to say, the said blockade would directly affect the flagship network and its native token in some way. Solana, SOL, a blockchain platform for hosting decentralized apps, dApps, and presently the 6th-ranked cryptocurrency in terms of market value, has had a rocky start to the new year. Despite the fact that the DeFi asset is still a long way from the all-time highs it reached in 2021, the cryptocurrency community at CoinMarketCap is expressing a great deal of confidence for the price of the token, predicting that Solana will trade at $131.79 by the end of May 2022. The projected price reflects a 40.15% or $37.76 increase over the product's existing price at the time of publication. Overall, votes from 3,074 members of the CoinMarketCap community were taken into consideration to arrive at the final price estimate. In terms of Solana price predictions, the crypto community has an average estimated historical accuracy of 67.9% based on estimates from the last 6 months. Solana is gunning for Ethereum's crown as the battle for supremacy among smart contract platforms rages on. Even though Ethereum continues to lead the pack in this regard, it has not discouraged others who have been rapidly growing to steal market share from it. Solana has no doubt been the most powerful of these contenders, especially with the growth of its NFT space. These NFTs have been doing quite well on the network, attracting millions of new users to the Solana blockchain. Ethereum remains ahead in terms of volume, but it seems this may not be for much longer, as some Solana NFT projects have been breaking records. The OK Bears NFT was like any other NFT launch on the Solana network. It had a waitlist which allowed those who got waitlisted to easily mint the NFTs on the mint day. However, this unassuming project would prove to be a game changer for the Solana network, as it has rapidly grown in popularity and returned one of the highest NFT volumes on record. Champion Persip Banding partnered with blockchain gaming platform Liberty Gaming Guild, LGG, to offer its fans an ecosystem to learn and thrive in the new gaming era. And second news about Solana, Luna taking on Bitcoin and Ethereum in volumes. As Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH revel in distant dreams of their long-lost highs and struggle to break past their old resistance levels, is it possible that wary investors are looking towards more energetic alts instead? Here's what the data said. The start of an alt spring. Sentiment revealed that, while Bitcoin and Ethereum volumes were sliding, those capitalizing on the loss included Terra Luna and Solana. In fact, a closer comparison reveals just how drastic this reversal in fortunes has been. Towards the beginning of 2022, Bitcoin and Ethereum dominated the market in terms of volume, while Solana and Luna registered smaller spikes. Fast forward 3 months, however, and we can clearly see that Luna's volume has surged high above that of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even Solana. However, Sol and Luna investors are far from being over the moon as weighted sentiment for both assets was in the negative territory at press time. This suggests that investors are well past the excitement of the buy the dip stage. Now ready with their newly acquired assets, most seem ready for a bull run. Looking at the price action of both assets, Sol was trading at $80.94, having risen by 0. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. Sol rate prediction 2022. Sol will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol